Hey guys, welcome back to another one. This is going to be another Theta update. In this video, we're going to talk about a T-Fuel update, what happened over the past night, and then also a Theta Drop update. And lastly, we'll get into some price predictions in the future. But if you do like this content, be sure to like and subscribe for future videos like this one. All right, so getting into it. So Theta, as we can see, just checking out some of the prices right now, we're at $6.86 and we're staked at about 65%, which we've been hovering around the 65 to 66% staked for approximately a month or two. It's nice to see that it's stable and hopefully that this continues to rise in the future. T-Fuel is looking at 32 cents, of course, for both Theta and T-Fuel. We're still recovering from the flash crash that we had last week, and it looks like things are trending back up, actually. Theta and T-Fuel for the past 24 hours have increased their price for about 10%, which is looking good. The percent staked is 43%, and once again, that has been pretty constant over the past month or so. And let's get into some of these tweets. So J Theta has he's definitely been tracking the percentage of ROI for T-Fuel consistently. If you check out his Twitter, and he noticed something, it was a big drop in the T-Fuel ROI in the last 24 hours. And he noticed that, and he actually tweeted Theta, and he was like, "Hey man, what's going on here? Any feedback?" And JLong, one of the developers, he's on the development team, he actually tweeted back and he says, "One of the enterprise validators was out of service last night. They just resolved the issue and we expect the 24 block count to go higher tomorrow." On the flip side, it's crappy that this did happen, he's saying, but on the flip side, this incident shows that the network still functions even when a subset of validators go temporary offline. And this is good because one of the things that the SEC is going after Ripple for is because of the lack of decentralization. And if, Theta can continue to prove that they are decentralized enough where if some of their enterprise validators do go offline, the system will still work. And that's what JLong is saying essentially, which that once again is very good news. It's not good to see the ROI decreasing. And if we check out J Theta's Twitter, he has actually a daily update essentially of what the 32-day average should look like. So normally it's about 8.4, 8.5, 8.7%. And when he did notice that it went down to 8.3 range, that's when he was a little alarmed and he tweeted. But like I said, good news and bad news all together. And then next, let's check out the Theta Drop. There is a new tweet, new Theta Drop coming soon. And it is this pretty sweet set right here. And it has a signature. I'll give you 2 seconds to guess who that is. And it has the number 1 written on it. So it's number 1 of 1. It definitely could have some value in the future, and none other than Mitch Liu. So Mitch Liu signed this. It is part of the partnership with the World Poker Tour. I think more information will come out soon. I don't know if this will be an airdrop or if this will be probably you'll have to bid and the highest bidder will win this, but we'll kind of see. It is interesting, and maybe they'll have more than one. I think it seems like a lot of people are interested in this drop if they could pick it up. And then lastly, let us check out the Theta Drop. Yep, I went here and there is no information yet on this item so far. So it does say coming soon on the tweet, and I think in the future it will be out. And that was the wrong one. World Poker Tour is what I'm looking for. But once again, even after loading this one, it looks like there's no information yet about it. So we'll move on to the price prediction and some TA. It looks like Theta has been hanging out within this channel. So between about, the $6 range and the $7.90, $8 range. And it finally did break out, and then we had that flash crash. Nothing we can do about it. Bitcoin kind of runs the alts, and Bitcoin crashed as well as everyone else. So now Theta, like I said, it is in that recovery mode. And if you are a day trader, it does look like, we hit this level of support around that $6 range. And my best guess will continue to trend up to this, $7 to $8 range over here. And then from there, we'll definitely need a lot of volume, maybe some news, and it'll be able to break through, the $7.90, $8 range and continue up to the next level of resistance, which is that $9.50 mark. So that is the latest and greatest in Theta. Once again, we talked about, why the T-Fuel ROI did drop, and then also the latest Theta Drop coming soon. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know in the comment section below, and I'll see you all in the next one.